Canada, the second largest country in the world by land area, is known for its stunning landscapes, diverse culture, strong economy, and high quality of life. Located in North America, it shares the longest international border with the United States. Its 10 provinces and 3 territories extend from the Atlantic to the Pacific and northward into the Arctic Ocean. Geography and climate. Canada spans nearly 10 million square kilometers, featuring vast forests, majestic mountains, and over 2 million lakes. The country has 4 distinct seasons, with cold winters and warm summers. The West Coast, British Columbia, has a milder climate, while the northern regions experience extreme cold. History and government. Indigenous peoples have lived in Canada for thousands of years. In 1867, Canada became a self-governing country under British rule and gained full independence in 1982. It is a parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy, with the British monarch as its symbolic head of state. The Prime Minister is the head of government, currently leading from Ottawa, the capital. Economy and industry. Canada has a strong and stable economy, ranking among the world's top 10. It is rich in natural resources, including oil, minerals, and forests. Major industries include technology, finance, manufacturing, and agriculture. Canada is also a leader in global trade, with the U.S. as its largest trading partner. Culture and diversity. Canada is one of the most multicultural nations in the world, with English and French as its official languages. Immigration plays a key role in its diverse society. Major cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal showcase vibrant arts, food, and cultural festivals. Ice hockey is the national sport, while Canadian music, literature, and cinema have a growing global presence. Education and healthcare. Canada has a world-class education system, with top universities like the University of Toronto, McGill, and UBC. Healthcare is publicly funded, ensuring free medical services for citizens and permanent residents. Tourism and attractions. Popular destinations include Niagara Falls, Banff National Park, the Northern Lights in Yukon, and historic sites in Quebec. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver attract millions of visitors annually. Canada is a land of opportunity, natural beauty, and cultural diversity. With a strong economy, excellent healthcare, and a welcoming society, it continues to be one of the best places to live, work, and visit. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Follow for more.